Welcome to Specialist Car Stoke. My name is Umesh Samani. I'm the proprietor of Specialist Car Stoke. We do a full walk around video of every single car to show you how nice all our cars are. So please enjoy the walk around video of this car and I'll tell you why you should be buying your car from me. Absolutely fabulous example, bought direct from the one private owner. This is absolutely gorgeous. It really is. Audi Q3 special edition. This is the S Line Plus. So great specification on this one, with quite a few factory fitted options, which are lovely options to have. Daytona Grey metallic. Let's take you all the way around to show you how nice this car is. This is absolutely beautiful. Full service history. Registered in September 2015 on a 65 plate. The car is totally unmarked all round. It really is a beautiful example all round. Front to rear parking sensors. And this is the Quattro model. They do 2- and 4-wheel drive. Quattro, of course, 4-wheel drive. Electric tailgate. Nice and clean loading area, no damage on the loading area there, nice and clean. The boot, totally unmarked, really has been very well looked after, not been knocked about in any way. Split folding rear seats, of course the luggage cover there. This one also has the optional spare wheel, which it was ordered with from new, so spare wheel complete there, toolkit, locking wheel bolt. As I mentioned, the bodywork is absolutely stunning all the way around. No dents, scratches, scuffs, little dings anywhere. Just gleaming away. All the wheels in great condition. 19-inch alloys. Look at that, no damage, no scuffs. Beautiful all round. Front parking sensors. Chrome roof rails. It's had the mud guards, mud flaps fitted from new. Look at that gorgeous interior. It's got the leather and Alcantara trim. Again, all in fabulous condition. No marks, no damage there. Lots of space there. There's great Alcantara trim there. Got all there, the aluminium trim, electric windows, electric mirrors. It's got the folding mirrors too. Again, those front sport seats, all in great condition. They really are absolutely fabulous. S Line embossed. These are great. Additional support just under your legs. Front center armrest with various media connections in there. Satellite navigation, Bluetooth connection, again you've got the Audi parking aid with visual display as well as the bleepers, Audi multimedia, SD cards in there, all controlled nice and easy off the panel on there. So navigation, telephone, menu. This one also has the drive select, which was an option, just a button there. Various options are automatic, dynamic, efficiency, comfort. Just get it exactly how you'd like it. Cruise control, multifunctional leather steering wheel, volume control, Bluetooth control, all on there. Also had the optional heated seats. 6-speed manual gearbox, automatic lights, automatic wipers, folding mirrors. Absolutely gorgeous car. Mileage with just 50348, that's what it's done, 50348, full service history, absolutely immaculate condition all round, not been abused, totally cherished by the one owner from new. Of course, we've got 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear. We welcome part exchange. Click and reserve this car 24/7 direct off our website. Alternatively, just give us a call on 01782 822 700. We make buying and selling cars a very simple, easy, quick process. No admin fees. Read about our raving fans reviews and you'll see why customers come back to us time and time again. Like and share the video, follow us on YouTube. Here to help you. Specialist Cars, multi-award winning dealer, Stoke-on-Trent, Staffordshire. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple, we've been established since 1997 and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.